Hello everyone, Blake Potter here at Bell Camper Sales. I'm inside the 2022 KZ Sportsmen 260 bunkhouse. This is a 360 video, so feel free to follow me around. We'll start back here in the bunk area. You got your double bunks, 500 weight capacity apiece. You can have 2 small kids, 1 or 2 adults, whatever you need to use them for. You got a little storage under here for bags, stuff like that. Get out of the way from your living area. Back here in the corner, you have your bath, your walk-in shower. You got your vent up there, pantry, sink, all in your bathroom, foot flush toilet. Over here you have your dinette, seats 4 to eat. You can also turn it into a 5'11" bed if you have another couple more people want to spend the night or a couple kids. Over here you have your oven, your 3-burner stove, fold up glass top for a backsplash, you won't get grease on nothing. Or you can have it down, have more counter space in your kitchen. This is the new lighter wood this year. They did go to that. Still got all the storage up here like last year, just a different color. It's your microwave up here, oven vent right here. Over here, you have your little couch with the armrest. It also folds down to a little twin bed. In case someone else needs to stay, you don't have to tell them that, but it's there if you need it. Now jump with me over here in the bedroom. Here in the bedroom, you got your queen bed. You got your his and hers closets on each side. You also have your cell phone charging stations on each side up there. Storage up here. Also, when you lift up the bed, you have storage under there that gets to your pass-through storages outside. This concludes the 2022 Sportsman. Come see me at Bell Camper Sales. We'd love to get you camping. Thanks for watching.